Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing great. Today we are making some potato fries, sweet potato fries. I've peeled and cut and washed the potatoes thoroughly, and now I just added salt to it. I will stir and leave it to rest in that salt for about 10-15 minutes before we continue. After allowing it for 15 minutes in the water to soak up the salt, I'll then sieve out the water. Next, I'll place my frying pot on the gas, add some vegetable oil, and when the oil is hot enough, I'll then add my sliced potatoes and fry. After a few minutes, you can stir and flip it over to the other side so that they can fry on both sides. I'll continue to fry the potatoes until they are dried enough and I've achieved this golden color. Then I'll take it out from the oil. I will repeat the same process until I fry all my potatoes. And here we have our fried sweet potatoes. You can enjoy this with egg sauce or tomato sauce or ketchup, any sauce of your choice. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.